is like the 2K games right now. It's just day after day. Bonds just keep getting clapped, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. You had two more commercials. That's weird. So they put out a setting. So remember, they've been fucking with our ads for a very long time. Here we got 30 seconds, but it said that you could switch it now to like not play ads a lot, and I selected that. And you guys are like, "Oh well, it's playing me ads still." So we'll find out today, though. But there is a new ad policy change, so we will probably have to play around with it and see what happens. It'd be nice if we could get it back to normal and nothing. That would be great, my brother. That would be great, my brother. But Chad, you have 5 seconds. Call out any plays, like the
Order
video.
submitted.
Let's have a good time, and God bless you, baby. Round one, fight. Alrighty. Let's see. I forgot. We got that Peloton still. I'm just going to be watching Bonds. You got Google on the high to start off so far.
Order filled.
Let's see. Where's that biotech? Let's call it, what's his name? Bolt. That was the only other one. Otherwise, I'd watch maybe more of the chips. Again, you got some of those headlines. You do have Micron, and that might move around a little bit. So, again, where is Micron? 3.52. TBT, 52-week high. Bro, I think bonds are, it's going to get wicked here. We're at least at 42.66 to open up, so that's not bad. You got like 20 points till you start looking towards the bottom, but we'll see. At least today it's showing down. NASDAQ's already down by 0.46. My goodness. And then energy, I think they're still running up. I haven't checked crude actually, even from the last night thing, but it was holding up 4. If that's still there, you're going to get a lot of craziness. Yeah, crude is giving it up, but literally at one point last night, crude was up like another 2 or 3.
Stop filled.
Healthcare moves. Again, they were the leader, so we'll see what happens with that. September. TS? What's this one? Tenaris.
Order filled.
That's moving up. UAL on the high. Airlines are somehow moving up. They're up by 0.3. Again, there was news there with Uber, too. They got a new CFO, apparently. And then SPY still holding up here within the first candles, 0.11. And then bonds, though, they're still on the low, so watch out for that. Dollar is down today, so that's going to be an interesting one. So, again, you have dollar down, bonds clobbered, market is still down. I think by the end of it, we'll see where it ends up. So pretty much if dollar is still low and bonds can recover, that could end up good. But then again, we do not know. We'll watch as far as, again, comparing that to even yesterday. September is for Tinder. Yes, indeed. Timber. It's bad. And NVIDIA is on the low. Again, people were getting excited by chips here a little bit. NVIDIA not down 1%. Micron down 4.9, going a little lower. Also on today's data, real estate might be able to move us, but I don't even think today's data really was much. I think that's why dollar went down. Stocks are down with it a little bit, but it's this bond yield thing and what's going on overseas. Again, from here to Germany, Italy, everywhere else, you're watching all those movements. Costco, I forgot about that. They're running up. Remember, that's post earnings. So Costco's making its move right here. Peloton, that one destroyed me on there. I shouldn't have took that play. That one's down. I'm down $1 per share now. I'll close that one after the first couple hours then. There you go. What the hell was that one? NVIDIA. Where is USO? Good morning, baby. That one's not bad. We like a good MDT. A lot of people have talked about that for the long term. Again, Medtronics. Where is even healthcare? Some of them are up now. Everything's still very small. That's what you got to watch out for. So Dow Jones is in the green, 0.1. SPY down by 0.03. And then NASDAQ down 0.34. Cava on the low. Where's the other ones? Remember ARM and CART? You guys forget about the IPOs? NVIDIA got dividend today. Yes, it's like 0.001. I'm surprised they didn't cut it like when MGM did. MGM is going up. Again, we still have those plays. I think they're still up on the bid, actually. So you could get 50% on the bid on the MGM still. And then bonds are still going lower. SPY's going higher. Dollar has not moved. Chat is saying AMD running. Check CCL. I saw airline. They're all in the green right now. OCUP on the low. ACMR on the high. High ticker is still kind of running here again. SPY is green now. NASDAQ is the only one that is red. Shout out to you, Josh. You keep hearing the 10%. Taking that 10%. Now you got $5,300. I low-key would have had nothing if I never started. Bro, richest man in Babylon. Thank Arcat. Not me, my brother. Amen. Amen. That's it. Now you got a little bit in the purse. That's what it says. A tenth of what you earn is for yours to keep. Oh, the dollar index line on the SPY chart. You mean like UUP overlay it? UNH is running up. You guys were talking healthcare a little bit. Bonds still about to die even more. Again, bonds are so far over the edge. If anything, watch if the 10-year makes it to, what's it called? If the 10-year makes it to 4.75. So it's the same thing as yesterday, but even this morning, again, you already made the 4.67. It's right there, bro. So we're going to really find out where it ends up. But that's why just all day it's going to be, we're going to be on watch. But the dollar, surprisingly, is not moving too much.
Stub filled.
Identify yourself, and then ask your question.
Interesting. He's a voter.
Order submitted. Order filled.
He's asking about auto factories. That sucks. This quality is so bad.
And I made a small allusion to that. We're the 7th district. We have the biggest auto production of all the Fed. We got Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and Wisconsin. This strike is unlike most previous strikes. We got a lot of expertise on the auto industry. They've gone and analyzed previous strikes, what happened to GDP, what happened to prices, and what are the economic impacts.
Okay, you're back up to VWAP. Banks are still going. JP Morgan on the high.
It matters a lot how long.
Oracle's starting to run up there too, but banks have been leading all morning, even with the bonds doing that thing.
Target filled.
Don't show up because there's typically, for whatever goes down, there's a very strong immediate rebound of production. So if it all happens within, let's say, 1 month, it almost doesn't show up in the quarterly GDP.
Stub filled.
The longer it goes and the more spread across multiple companies, the more the short run impact. And
okay, my headlines are like a minute behind. I could turn it off and just read you the headlines whenever he says it, because I'm struggling with this one.
General Motors market share in 1970 was
He's a smart guy, though. I usually like listening to him.
Of all the big three today.
He's been growing on me lately.
Historically, there's